How are you today? This is Mark again, your money plan coach, and I'm going to show you the basic tutorial for entering information in the credit tab. Here's the credit tab, and it's important to note this is for unsecured credit. This is not for car loans, mortgage loans, or any loans tied to a piece of property. This is unsecured credit. As always, we click add here and we start putting in information. Got to put something in this top left box or it won't save. And remember to be stealthy. We don't want account numbers or personal data in there. We just want a descriptor that you know what that account is. So we're going to put in a balance amount, a payment amount, an interest rate. Try to be close. If you're not sure, do your best. And when you get your monthly statement, then maybe check that statement out and see what your interest rate is exactly. It could be surprising and shocking, and for sure, if you know what it is, if you can find out what it is, I can almost guarantee you we will save you hundreds of dollars, if not thousands, by showing you a little trick that the Money Decoder is going to do for you. Whoops, let's say this is an Amex. We're just going to put in a couple more bills here. Balance $7,500, payment $400. Let's say that's a really high interest rate. And again, we're going to put a minimum payment here, the minimum contractual payment. Let's put in one more. Let's say we have a student loan also, and we owe $15,000. Let's say the payment's $250 on that, 7.5% rate. And let's say our minimum payment, absolute minimum, is only $200. Now, we're going to click save once everything's done. You can see that only took a minute. And we've got some great information here. We know exactly, based on what we've entered here, how much longer we have for each debt to be paid off according to this payment plan that we're estimating right now. We know that. How much total payments we have left on each credit card or unsecured piece of debt. We also have this cost of payment factor, which we're going to get into a little later at an intermediate or advanced training. But right now, we just want you to know that that's there. I'm going to move myself out of the way here. We also know exactly how much interest, according to our current payment plan, how much interest we have remaining to pay, how many total payments we have left. And we know the blended weighted average rate and which debts are higher than the average weighted rate. And that's really important because when we get into some of these advanced tabs here, the orange tabs, advanced tabs, we're going to have a special plan that's pre-made for you. And it's going to tell you exactly how to save tons of money in paying off your debts just by putting in the right information and minimum results into this credit. That's all we're going to do for now, and then I want you to move forward and make sure that everything else is input all the way up through the decisions tab. There's more tutorials coming. We're not leaving you high and dry, but that's all you need to do right now with this unsecured credit tab. Okay, thanks for watching. We'll get back to you again real soon. Take care.